Hello. So continuing talking about limits, I promised making a limit that was simultaneously easy and through the practical ways of doing limits instead of the ways in which we prove the limit. So this limit can be done both ways. I'll do the practical way today. And maybe another day I'll do the non-practical way, I don't know. So it's the limit of x going to 1 of x minus x squared divided by 1 minus x. So things to be noted. This guy in the lower part of the fraction cannot be 1, but we are not saying he is 1. We are just saying we are approaching 1. So in this function, we never cross 1, ever, because taking the limit isn't applying the value exactly, is going to the value. If we can apply the value, the function applied to the value is the limit, generally speaking, unless the function specifies that the definition at the value is different than the limit, which is something I didn't comment on the other video, but whatever. We cross the road when we encounter the road. Regardless of this observation, we can't simply apply 1 here, but we can notice that we can put in evidence x from this first expression here. So we do that. So for the limit of x going to 1 of x, 1 times 1 minus x and divided by 1 minus x, since we aren't at 1, both things cancel each other, and we end up with the limit of x going to 1 of the function x, which is 1. As you can see, sometimes limits are very simple. And using the practical rule, most of the limits that you're gonna find in your life are gonna be closer to this than to the more complicated limits. At any rate, bye!